Today we'll be reviewing our Destiny wig line. Let's start with the cap construction. Each wig features a breathable spandex mesh cap that allows the hair to breathe. All wigs come with an adjustable strap, so you can actually tighten and loosen the wig according to the circumference of your head. We have conveniently placed an elastic band on the inside of each of our green wigs. This elastic band helps the wig securely attach to your head without the need of glue, allowing you to adjust the tightness of the wig to the circumference of your head. Moving on to our lace. Each wig is made with a 13 by 5 HD transparent lace, suitable for all skin tones. This feature enables you to freely change your parting or style as needed. All our green wigs are heat safe, up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. We provide a diverse selection of wigs that cater to your individual styles, from our captivating 3-tone wigs to our natural colored wigs. In addition to our basic colors, each wig comes in various colors. For example, our dianthus comes in our 2-toned pink with our burgundy ends, which are full, fluffy, and bouncy curls. Dianthus, hyacinth, and Lune wigs all feature a mesmerizing pink ombre, offering 3 delightful shades of pink, along with our P427 color, which is a natural brown highlighted wig. Lastly, our crimson, which is available in 5 captivating colors, which are sure to turn heads. All of these wigs are also available in our natural colors, 1, 1B, 2, and 4, providing a wide array of colors for all to enjoy. So try green wigs today.